All right, welcome to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today is an interesting episode. We're going to discuss all the differences that Canada gets in the Honda Civic Si that us lovely Americans do not get. Stay tuned for that. Before we get to it, thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. I do car news, new and used car reviews, plus do live streams. Now back to that Si. Welcome to Cruise Control. All right, so in the United States, I have been a little hard on the new Si for pricing because it's $28,000 and I just don't see the value. If we had the Canadian Si, I will spoil things right now. I would be praising the price and all the features. Let's get to that right now. All right, so number one, let's start with the outside of the Si. They get this little thing called fog lights in the bottom. You know what? My 09 Civic Si in orange pearl has fog lights. How come the new one does not have fog lights? Hello. Then on the outside, if you look at their side mirrors, they have turn signal indicators into the side mirrors. That's cool. All right, so those are the two features on the outside. Moving past that, there's a world of difference on the inside, starting with number one thing, heated seats up front. Oh, but wait, they also get heated seats for the back. Oh, that's right, and a heated steering wheel. Wow, thanks Honda for giving American those things. Oh wait, you didn't give those to us. Okay. Oh, what about this? What about for fun? They gave it shift lights so you know when to shift. And it's just fun. I remember the 9th gen did that. That's kind of a cool thing. I wish that the 11th gen did that for us here as well. Oh, and a full digital gauge cluster. That would have been awesome to have. Let's see. What else do they get? Oh, that's right. You can change the digital gauge cluster to this really cool sport mode. Okay, it doesn't really change that much. It just glows a little red. But still, these are things that you get. All right, now two more things before I forget that the Honda Civic Si gets in Canada that we don't. Dual climate system, so your passengers can be a different temperature than your driver. And wireless charging, so you can just put your Google Pixel or your Android or iPhone of choice down to charge. I would have liked to have that here in the United States. But Eric, you say it's gonna cost so much more than our $28,000 Civic. Right, it cost $33,000 in Canada, which is about $26,000 in the United States. So if this came out with all those features for $26,000, I would be praising that it's the best market value ever built right now. Like if it had all these features here in the United States for $26,000, and we know they can do it because they're selling it for the equivalent of $26,000 in Canada. So Honda's getting the same amount of money that they would get in the States if they sold it here for $26,000. So why is these options not available? I'll tell you why they're not here. They're saving those options for the Integra. Everything that we're missing here, we're gonna get to see in the Integra. It'll have a heated steering wheel, it'll have heated seats and heated rear seats and a digital gauge cluster. Those are all the things that we're saving for the Integra. Why we get the worst version of the Si is beyond me. I don't know, and why it costs $28,000, I also don't know. But man, would I like $26,000 with all these features. Oh, and by the way, if you guys like the little video that's in this link, this is from my favorite YouTubers that I watch. They're called Throttlehouse. I highly recommend that you click the link below, like and subscribe to their channel. If you guys ever watched Top Gear in the UK, this is kind of like their own version of Top Gear. I really enjoy their channel, and that's where some of these images are coming from. Again, the link's gonna be down below. Before I let you guys go today, I wanted to let you know I really appreciate you guys watching. Please do like and subscribe for more content like this. I also have a link down below for you guys if you're gonna wash and take care of your car. It's got the whole detail kit for you, right? So you get everything from the outside to the inside to be able to take care of your car. So that link's down there as well. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Have a good one.